tao maginagalaw. Pero nag-quota pa ng class. And mind you, our quota way back 15 years ago was 1.5 million, 2.3 million. Malakat ka mo sa mall, di ba nakatuka mo sa mall? Nakita niyo na ilang mga tiles? In every tiles, there's a price. So, sa panahon ko nga ako supervisor, ang isa ka tiles ng telahan, ang cost na is 600. So, kailangan, kada adlaw, kung ang imong tao sila kabilo, mataan na sila. So, kailangan, kada adlaw, kaya sila benta. No? May sales sila. So, that is how their performance are available. Sa sales, on how they deal with the customers, because that is a customer-related work. So, basta the customer is always right, basta hindi pa right, sige na lang. No? So, after sa ACE, dito ko na-eskwela sa mga nursing. 2006. I'm working in university because that was the fun. What is fun? That was the passion.
So, load, ali ginagawa.
I have my time management.
Basta load.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, years, English, 19 years LDR. Class, if you're having an LDR relationship, what is your community? Second, your trust. Trust ko mo, para hindi makapag-usog. And third, your communication. And remember, ways of communication. Kaya hindi na nadadala sa relasyon. Isa po, 19 years LDR, crazily in love. Hindi naman ako baka kung nagkulang hindi mo pa kayang luma, hindi mo kasawaan, ang normal na sa inyo kailangan bagay na or siguro lang, if you will find the right person, make sure na compatible mo. What's compatible? You have your differences. Most of the time, you have more likes. Diba? Eh, kung ako pala tao ko balon sa percentage na tao ko balon. So, paano kami magkata sa balutan? Diba?